right, good morning. Is it still morning? We do. Great, excellent. As Ken said, I am Josh McDougall from C4, or the Cryptocurrency Certification Consortium. There's a reason why we're called C4. It's too long. And today we're going to do some trivia. Again, if you're out there in the ether land of the internet, please feel free to join in too. There's nothing stopping you from typing in that web address, entering that code, and joining us right here today. The only thing I can't do is send you t-shirts. But for those in the room who get ridiculous things or correct me, we do have some t-shirts up here to give away, as donated by the wonderful Andreas Antonopoulos. We'll give it a couple more minutes to let people join in and continue yelling at people outside to come join our trivia. Now, where's my, oh good, he's gonna go yell at people, excellent. So while that's happening, if you haven't heard of C4, our two main initiatives, as Ken mentioned, is the Certified Bitcoin Professional. We're working on a Certified Ethereum designation as well. We're very excited about, and we're always looking for volunteers. So if you'd like to help us create those certifications, we certainly welcome it. And the other thing that we do is the cryptocurrency security standards. So if you're working on a project and wondering how do you keep those assets safe, be them yours or your customers, it's a great standard no matter what assets you're dealing with to make sure you're protecting those keys. All right, well, with no further ado, we may as well get into it. We've got 5 teams. I think this will be a fairly epic battle. So let's get this rolling. So, first question. Are you enjoying ETHDenver? Let's start a little light. Something, hopefully, that we can all answer pretty reliably. Ken to look away, depending on the results. Oh, all right. Well, they lost free points. All right, we've got M in the lead. Now we're going to do a segment I like to call Dog or Blockchain. This one's tough. I believe in you all, though. Get those answers in. Dog or blockchain? This one's tough. I believe in you. All right, we tricked some, but that was in fact a dog. Satoshi's in the lead now. All right, another round of dog or blockchain. Also a little tricky. Don't let the protocol fool you. Yes, I was actually a pup chain. Very close. Very close, but that was in fact dogs on a pup chain. All right, couple more rounds of dog or blockchain to go. Get things moving. All right, another tough one. I hope we can do it. Wasted no time on that one. Someone might be trolling, but Satoshi is on fire. This isn't even his network, so I don't really know what's going on. Couple more rounds, I promise. Dog or blockchain? It could be very blockchain. We're not quite sure. I don't want to give the answer away. Those were all right, turns out. We got one more in our dog or blockchain series. Funny every time. Ripple doesn't have a blockchain. Come on. Guys. All right. Now we're getting more serious. What's the best investment you can make in this space? There's so many assets out there. What is the best one that everyone in this room can invest in? 10,000% return. SEC even agrees. It's obviously Dogecoin. Guys, the answer's right there. All right, our leaderboard is moving around. Is Ethereum dead? Fairly important question. It's down 5% today. What's even the point of all of this? Get those votes in. If you're out there on the internet, you can be cheating as well. Feel free to look this up. Is Ethereum dead? Satoshi's still on fire, but we got a close game here. And a lot of questions to go. Bitcoin CEO was arrested in January 2014 for money laundering. Is this true or false? The reality of it is last year he died building an orphanage in India, unfortunately. Too soon? Too soon. Sorry, Jared. Describing your startup with these words guarantee an uncomfortable conversation with regulators. This is an example of the wonderful things you learn at our training conferences by amazing compliance experts. Using these words, hint, there could be a couple of them. Yeah, turns out all of those are going to anger them immediately, or at least make them uncomfortable. We got Burr on fire, which seems a little opposite. I believe in you. This blockchain project supports a fully Turing-complete language for transactions. I swear I didn't make Dogecoin the right answer again. Maybe. I don't remember anymore. Just Ethereum, of course. Thank you. No one even trolled that one. I'm proud of you guys. Now you want the points. You're feeling it. This token is used in Ethereum to fuel contracts. Is it buffs? Vitalics? Eithers? Either or? All right. Satoshi's back on fire. Come on, I believe in everyone. Let's do this. What is the smallest unit of ether? We got Wei, Quay, Finny, or Buteri? I am actually pretty impressed. That question, we're getting a little bit harder with them. Good work. Are Ethereum transactions anonymous? If I send an Ethereum transaction, is anyone going to know it was me? What do you think? I'm very impressed. All right. Welcome, friend. Join a team. Get in there. How much ETH is earned by the miner of each block? This did change fairly recently. So if you need to quickly scamper to the internet, it'll probably tell you the wrong answer. All right. Nice work, everyone. Clearly too easy. Your Ethereum client program app must be online in order to receive Ether. This is not the Lightning Network, in which case this answer would be absurd. Bless you, Lightning Network. I apologize. All right, good work. To maximize the chance your transaction will be included in a block, even though it still may never be and you really have no control over that, what can you try and do? Canadian transactions are proven to be accepted more often than others around the world. It's generally because we're very polite. Is it the Ethereum Foundation that you can just pay to prioritize? No, it is not. Satoshi's still on fire. Subway speak, duty, rotate, escape, glue, walk, flame, strong, jump, parade is an example of this. Could it be an atrocious poem? Is that a public key? Maybe it's a mnemonic seed or a verification code. Which one is subway speak, duty, rotate, escape, glue, walk, flame, strong, jump, parade? I actually had to change this slide because last time someone came up to me and called me out on it being wrong. It is a horrible poem. Thanks. There's only so much space. Last time I had a word in there that was not a part of the mnemonic general phrasing. Anyways, which property of money is not necessary for an asset to be used as a medium of exchange? Is it the scarcity, the ease of transmission, government backing, fungibility? Which one of these is not necessary? I'll give you a hint. I won't give you a hint. Come on, guys. You got this. Yay. You'll notice you can still join in. The pin is at the bottom left, or just join a team in the room. The next person to join this game, I will throw a t-shirt at. That goes for you, Internet. Now I'm going to get you one. Which of these is not accomplished by mining? Is it confirming existing transactions? Confirming new transactions? Signing transactions? Oh, I kept Bitcoin in there. Sorry. Drink. I mean, technically none of these then. Oh, Jake's on fire. Watch out for Jake, guys. The Cryptocurrency Security Standard, or the CCSS, is designed to assist these organizations. Who can it help make sure their assets are safe? Bonus question, which organization, to anyone in this room, first one to tell me, originally created the CCSS? Anyone? Anyone? Somebody? Sorry? I'm covering it up. Anyone? C4. The Cryptocurrency Certification Consortium. All right, next person to be on fire is getting a shirt. I don't mean literally, please don't set yourself on fire. What is the best way, the best way to secure your private key is to email it to yourself. It'll be like a super secure email though, right? Great, yeah. Or like private. Thank you, everyone. All right, Wang gets a shirt. Come on up. What stage is the best time to consider security in your project? From the beginning? That seems absurd. After the first attack? The second attack is a very common one. That's definitely when people get very excited about security. I don't know if it's the best time to do it, but it's certainly the most passionate. And I mean, is security even important? We got to focus on UX. Nothing to secure if we don't have users. Oh, you guys are great. Thank you. All right, Dot's making a comeback. Security is all about technology. Making sure your configurations are correct and your code is clean. That's all you need to do to secure. Generally, the tone in my voice hints at what the answer is. Oh, look, a follow-up. An organization's policies and procedures are just as important to your security as a code audit. Yay. Jake's on fire. Jake gets a shirt. This is just to distract him. Everyone, get ahead. Which of the following is a valid type in solidity? I am not going to pronounce those. See, my questions get hard eventually. Okay, good guessing, everyone. Really liked it. The unit type, this unit type is equivalent to which of the following types, oh sorry, the uint type is equivalent to which of the following types in Solidity? Another one of those nice, easy questions for all the Solidity fans in the room. If one person gets this, please come up and get a shirt. If all of you guess again, I don't have enough shirts. Oh, okay. 2 people, I would say come up and get shirts. Contracts do not generally require which of the following elements to be legally valid. Term legally here, it's a bit of a loose term. Legally on chain is a little different than legally in the courts. Which one do we care about the most here? Ooh. Don't hate me because I'm right. The most important element of crypto tax calculations. And again, these are the kind of questions that are generally answered at the blockchain training conference by expert accountants who come in and happily teach you about this sort of stuff. So for everyone who gets this wrong, let us know. One person got this right. I think that deserves a t-shirt. Unless you already have one. We're going to stick on this horrible topic of accounting. I'm sorry if you're in the room. What is the best practices for a complete crypto accounting? Definitely disregarding missing or unavailable records is helpful. I think crying in the corner should have been one of these options too. Perfect, great work. For the people who didn't get that right, I feel you, fully understand. Which of the following is not a cryptographic hashing algorithm? I already know who in the room is going to get this right, at least one, or I'll be very upset. For everyone else, best of luck on your guess. Two of you got it right, nice, excellent. That is mayonnaise. Which of the following is not the primary purpose of mining? This depends who you ask. Making you rich, not wrong, not right. Propagating the transactions, securing a network, or the issuance of currency. What of this is not really the purpose of mining? All right, pretty good. It's possible to store a password in a smart contract as long as you define the variable as private. I mean, we all do it, right? This was how... It says private. Why would they use the word private? Good work. Michael, no. In order to prevent front running in smart contracts, which of the following solutions can be used? Initialize all the variables, commit and reveal schemes, the use of randomness, and protect against underflow and overflow. I mean, generally any time the word scheme is in something, I'm going to choose it. Just sounds right. What are we here for? Good guessing again, everyone. I really liked your hustle on that one. We've got more of those questions coming up, so get those randomizations coming. What is the best strategy to audit smart contract codes? Well, first of all, I'm going to look for every mention of the word private in anything Michael Perklin writes now. A bug bounty program, maybe? You just run all the security tools. That's how you secure things, right? Just run those tools. Okay, back to guessing. Good. Bug bounty programs, close second. Certainly helpful to let other people do it, but I think you should be doing it too yourself. What type of vulnerability was exploited in the 2016 DAO hack? Little history, we were planning on releasing the certified Ethereum developer. And the day before we were going to release that, it happened. So we had to cancel that certification because it did not cover reentrancy vulnerabilities. All right, Satoshi's still in the lead. This isn't even his network, guys. Which of the following is an effective technique to avoid block gas limit issues? I think, again, crying in the corner would have been an acceptable option, but I'll get that added in the next one. Sobs ordered by nonce. I made it twice the size. All right, catching up. We haven't had anyone on fire in a bit. A little sad about that, but this one's fun. What consumes more energy per year? We all know that everything we're doing is absolutely atrocious for the environment, and we're just devastating it with our technology and innovation. So in reality, how much energy, what consumes more energy? Yeah, absolutely it's gold mining. No one seems to give a crap about that. Okay, so transactions aren't anonymous, as we learned earlier. What's important to try and protect then in a transaction if I want it to be in some way, shape, or form anonymous or pseudo-anonymous? All of it. These are all things that me, as an investigator, will use to track down your assets. Nice work, question mark. I didn't even know you were in the game, but I'm proud of you. What kind of math commonly enables public key cryptography? I don't think I can pronounce that last one. Let me give it a try. Antinomian functions, backdoor functions, or trapdoor functions. Get your head out of the gutter, the 5 people in the right. Satoshi's back on fire. Well, that's not good. Final question. What is the safest way to clean up after a key ceremony? Let's find out if anyone was in my key creation ceremony at the blockchain training conference. Anyone want to yell it out? Burn it down. Thank you. Great work, everyone. All right, let's see what our end results were. Let's see who wins. In third place, we've got Jake. In second place, we've got Block for You. Congratulations in the background. And our first place winner, back from the anonymous, Satoshi. I've been Josh McDougall again. I'm from C4, the Cryptocurrency Certification Consortium. If any of these questions you had no idea about, come meet us. We're happy to show you about all of our training initiatives. We're working on some amazing education projects, and we can't wait for you to aspire to meet all of our different standards and personnel certifications. If anyone has any questions about that, but I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to get the hell off, and I really like the next speaker, so I'm not going to waste any of his time.